nutrients on your I am ultimately proud. This is Theresa's garden, and her garden is doing amazing. She's trying new things in her own garden. She's not afraid to add things. She added some cucumbers, which have all germinated. I've never seen anybody seeds all germinate. So she's got filthy rich nutrients. Look at her peppers. Yo, stop. Look at the blossoms on this mug. That right there is to be commended. Look at the chives. Stop. Turnip greens. Maters. Now, don't be jealous, y'all. Don't be jealous. Everybody that did corn. Y'all see that corn silk? Look at that mint talking dirty. Yes. Just everything. So today, and her radishes are ready. Look at them radishes. So she has a complete meal for self. She's sustainable. Her beans. Very, very proud. Look at that turnip. You can see it? Bam.